Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best plasma cutter for home use. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Plasmargon. Model number, 520 TSCPF. This 520 TSCP multifunction welder is a powerful and easy-to-operate low-frequency machine that cuts without contact with sheet metal, making it an excellent choice for home users. This is a sturdy machine housed in a very compact enclosure. The lightweight design, ergonomic handle provides excellent portability, making the 520 TSCP an ideal solution for field applications. A simple and intuitive user interface makes all adjustments quick and easy. Integrates advanced IGBT inverter technology, allowing excellent arc stability and the most beautiful welds, whether the material is stainless steel, alloy steel, low-carbon steel, copper, iron etc. Powerful CNC cutting ability, fully digital panel, improve cutting efficiency and cutting quality, can realize automatic cutting. Number 4. Brand name, Andeli. Model number, Cut 50Y Pro. Built-in air compressor. This plasma cutter can cut without an air compressor. All you need is a plasma cutter, no need to carry a heavy air compressor while you work, making your job super easy. Using advanced IGBT inverter technology for precise feedback control, strong current output, this plasma cutter 50 ampere available for cutting most metals, stainless steel, alloy. The arc starting of the low-frequency plasma cutting machine is easier, which greatly reduces the electromagnetic interference generated by the high-frequency and high-voltage discharge and improves the reliability. It is widely used in automatic places with strict requirements on electromagnetic interference. Number 3. Brand name, HZX Vaughan. Model number, HVC 6000 Pro. HZX Vaughan HBC 6000 Pro plasma cutter equipped with built-in air compressor. Do not need to install air compressor regulator. You literally just need your plasma cutter and a power source to start cutting. This makes doing jobs out in the field incredibly easy. The air compressor is integrated into the machine to avoid the trouble of carrying an additional air compressor. It also supports external air source. Use non-hazardous compressed air to cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper and aluminum. Built-in overcurrent protection, overload protection, temperature control. The cutting works in a more safer and professional way. The two air filters of HBC 6000 Pro plasma cutter are to make the compressor air clean, keep dust outside the machine and reduce noise. Number 2. Brand name, Hitbox. Model number, HBC 5500. The HBC 5500 cutting machine adopts the inverter technical of switch power, greatly reducing the dimensions and weight of the main transformer. Hitbox plasma cutter using switching power inverter technique, stable and mature, greatly reduces the size and weight of the main transformer, saves energy by 50%, as well as efficiency is increased by 30%. Improved cooling method for the cutting torch. Greatly makes cutting consumables more bearable. Compact plasma cutting machine with LCD digital display and equipped with a portable handle. It is very convenient to operate and carry. This plasma cutter uses non-hazardous compressed air to cut, with protection of electric circuit to against the overcurrent, overvoltage and low voltage situation. Aim to ensure the safe operation. The Hitbox plasma cutter has a handle for portability. It is perfect for home DIY and general repair work. Ideal for home garages and workshops. It can be used for stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, copper, cast iron, chrome etc. Can be widely used at automotive, ducting work, repair and maintenance, metal processing, manufacture, site work etc. Solid material construction makes it reliable and usable for a long time. The maximum cutting thickness of this plasma cutter is 16 mm and the clean cutting is 12 mm. HBC 5500 plasma cutter came with air pressure regulator. You do not have to install air pressure regulator. Able to operate when the external air pressure is too high. HBC 5500 plasma cutter is made of high-quality components. By adopting the most advanced inverter technical of switch power, as well as the product life and work efficiency are increased by 40% than ordinary machines. Smooth cutting surface. Hitbox plasma cutter is designed for light cutting projects. This unit is the most compact plasma cutter one can find in the market and weighs only 8 kilograms. HBC 5500 plasma cutter uses the latest and most advanced IGBT technology. Number 1. Brand name, Hero Cut. Model number, Cut 70i. Plasma cutting machine Cut 70i CNC is developed by Hero Cut. Non-HF blowback pilot arc small compact efficient digital controller. This machine is one of the most portable single-phase inverter cutting machines on the market. With quality torch fixed safety plasma plug, the fast connection quick to release torch and ground clamp. The machine is easy to operate in terms of settings. Display show cutting amps help user adjust the current to cut different metal. Cutting thickness for this machine is 25 mm at 70 psi in good performance. Maximum cutting thickness can reach at 30 mm if needed for a short run. It is non-HF, non-touch, blowback arc starting plasma cutter. There is no HF interference. Can easy work with CNC cutting system table. There is CNC connecting port on back of machine. Front of machine with Euro center torch plug, efficient and safe. Non-HF arc starting torch with safe center plug save time and safety. Built-in air regulator, dry air can increase the cutting thickness, wet air may cause the short circuit. Frequency 50 or 60 Hz, suitable cut stainless steel, alloy steel, mild steel, thin copper and aluminum etc. The Plasma Cut 70i is a plasma cutting machine produced using the latest in IGBT technology. This plasma cutting equipment is available for cutting most metals, stainless steel, alloy, aluminum, mild steel, carbon steel. Widely used for automotive, ducting work, repair or maintenance, metal processing, manufacture. This is a blowback non-high frequency pilot arc starting plasma cutter, IGBT technology, heavy duty. It can work with CNC table. It is easy to operate in terms of settings, machine with 2T or 4T. Air checks function, air pressure display on front panel, with amps display and air pressure gauge. Pilot arc design allow the torch non-touch the metal to get arc starting.